Looking for affordable travel destinations for your next summer vacation? Well, you're in for a treat. We've scoured the globe to bring you 10 of the most budget-friendly spots where you can soak up the sun without emptying your wallet. From the lush landscapes of Asia to the vibrant cultures of Latin America and the hidden gems of Europe, we've got it all. So buckle up as we embark on a whirlwind tour, counting down from 10 to 1. Stay tuned to discover some underrated yet amazing travel destinations that won't break your bank. At number 10, we have the land of smiles, Thailand. This vibrant country is a paradise for budget travelers. From bustling city streets to tranquil islands, Thailand has something for everyone. The affordable, delicious street food is a must-try. Every corner of Thailand offers a unique culinary experience, with dishes that are a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Accommodation options are plentiful and cater to every budget. Transportation is also inexpensive. Buses, trains, and even tuk-tuks are all part of the Thai travel experience. And let's not forget the famous destinations. From the bustling metropolis of Bangkok, with its grand palaces and temples, to the serene islands of Phuket and Koh Samui, there's no shortage of places to explore. Thailand offers a perfect blend of culture, adventure, and relaxation, all on a budget. Coming in at number 9 is the nature lover's paradise, Costa Rica. Home to an astounding 5% of the world's biodiversity, this Central American gem is a haven for the eco-conscious traveler. The country's commitment to preserving its natural splendors means you'll have plenty of affordable eco-tourism opportunities to choose from. Imagine exploring lush rainforests, home to vibrant flora and fauna that'll leave you in awe. Or perhaps you'd prefer to relax on one of the many pristine beaches that adorn the coast, where the azure waters invite you to dive in. If you're an adventure seeker, the country's many national parks offer hiking, zip-lining, and even volcano tours. Costa Rica's natural beauty isn't its only draw. The Ticos, as the locals are known, are renowned for their warm hospitality, making any visitor feel right at home. So if you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly destination that blends adventure with relaxation, Costa Rica should be on your list. Costa Rica proves that you can experience the best of nature without emptying your pockets. At number 8, we find the historic gem, Cambodia. This Southeast Asian nation is a treasure trove of cultural heritage and natural beauty. Yet the cost of travel here remains surprisingly affordable, making it a dream destination for budget travelers. Let's start with Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world. This ancient temple complex is a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg to explore. Next, we have Siem Reap, the gateway to Angkor Wat. This vibrant city is famed for its night markets, where you can sample local delicacies without burning a hole in your pocket. Phnom Penh, the capital city, is another must-visit. With its bustling markets, historic sites, and affordable street food, it's a city that never ceases to amaze. So, for those seeking an affordable adventure steeped in history and culture, Cambodia is a destination that's hard to beat. Cambodia offers an affordable journey into the past, full of rich culture and history. Taking the 7th spot in our countdown are the picturesque Balkans. This region is not only rich in history and culture, but it's also incredibly affordable. Imagine exploring centuries-old cities, untouched landscapes, and indulging in delectable local cuisine without breaking the bank. The Balkans are home to some of Europe's most underrated destinations. From the vibrant city of Belgrade, with its blend of Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian architectures, to the stunning Adriatic coastline of Croatia and Montenegro, there's an abundance of sights to see. Delight in the charm of Bosnia and Herzegovina's medieval towns, or marvel at the natural beauty of Slovenia's lakes and mountains. Food enthusiasts will love the Balkans' diverse culinary scene. Savor the flavors of traditional dishes like sivarpai, burek, and rakia. Each bite offers a taste of the region's rich history and culture. The Balkans are a budget traveler's dream, offering both culture and natural beauty. At number 6, we have the diverse and vibrant India. With its rich history, diverse cultures, and stunning landscapes, India is a treasure trove for travelers on a budget. The cost of living is significantly lower than in many Western countries, which means your money can stretch a lot further. Let's start with Goa, a coastal paradise known for its pristine beaches and lively nightlife. Here you can relax on the sands during the day and party the night away without breaking the bank. Next we have Jaipur, the pink city of India. With its splendid forts and palaces, Jaipur offers a peek into the royal past of India. Last but not least, Kerala, often referred to as God's own country, is a must-visit. With its serene backwaters, lush green landscapes, and exotic wildlife, Kerala is a nature lover's dream come true. India offers an affordable and diverse travel experience that is hard to match. Coming in at number 5 is the hidden gem, Georgia. This Eastern European country is a treasure trove of experiences that won't break the bank. Imagine sipping world-class wine in the rolling vineyards of Kakheti, or hiking the rugged trails of the Caucasus Mountains, all without emptying your wallet. Georgia's historic cities, from the charming capital Tbilisi to the ancient cave city of Uplistsikha, are a blend of the old and the new, where medieval architecture meets modern charm. And let's not forget the food. Georgian cuisine is a delightful explosion of flavors, with dishes like khinkali, a juicy dumpling, and khachapuri, a cheese-filled bread that's nothing short of heavenly. The best part? You can feast on these delicious meals for just a few lari, making Georgia a foodie's paradise on a budget. So for an affordable travel experience that's rich in history, culture, and delectable food, Georgia is hard to beat. Georgia offers a budget-friendly travel experience full of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Taking the 4th spot in our countdown is the sunny Portugal. Known for its charming towns, breathtaking beaches, and world-renowned wines, Portugal is a treasure trove that doesn't require you to break the bank. Let's start with Lisbon, the capital city, where cobbled streets, pastel-colored houses, and tram rides will capture your heart. Lisbon's vibrant food scene, historical landmarks, and pocket-friendly prices make it a must-visit. Heading north, we find Porto, a city that's just as enchanting. With its stunning riverside views, iconic blue-tiled churches, and the birthplace of port wine, Porto offers a rich cultural experience without draining your wallet. And let's not forget the breathtaking Algarve region. Its sun-kissed beaches, picturesque cliffs, and affordable seafood eateries make it a perfect summer destination. From its affordable accommodation to its inexpensive, delicious cuisine, Portugal is a testament to the fact that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a fabulous European vacation. Portugal proves that you can experience European charm on a budget. At number 3, we have the colorful Mexico. A country that's as vibrant as its culture, Mexico is a gem for budget travelers. From the azure beaches of Cancun to the bustling streets of Mexico City, there's something for everyone. Cancun, with its crystal clear waters and white sandy beaches, is a paradise for sun lovers. Mexico City, on the other hand, is a haven for history buffs, boasting ancient ruins and grand cathedrals. And let's not forget Tulum, a seaside town known for its well-preserved ruins of an ancient Mayan port city. But what makes Mexico a budget travel darling? Its affordability. With a favorable exchange rate and a cost of living that's significantly lower than many Western countries, your money goes a long way here. You can indulge in authentic Mexican cuisine, explore ancient ruins, or simply soak up the sun without breaking the bank. Mexico offers an affordable and vibrant travel experience full of culture and history. Taking the 2nd spot in our countdown is the exotic Morocco. This North African gem is not just rich in culture and history, but also kind to your pockets. The country's affordability is one of its many charms, with plenty of budget accommodations and cheap, delicious street food. If you're a fan of bustling markets and historical sites, Marrakesh, the country's major economic center, should be your first stop. It's famous for its Medina, a medieval city of winding alleyways and vibrant souks that will transport you back in time. For those who crave a more serene experience, Chefchaouen, known as the Blue Pearl, offers a tranquil retreat. This city is a canvas of beautiful blue streets, tucked away in the Rif Mountains. And of course, no trip to Morocco would be complete without a visit to the breathtaking Sahara Desert. Here, you can camp under the stars and ride camels over golden dunes. Morocco offers an affordable journey into a world of rich culture and stunning landscapes. And finally, at number 1, we have the vibrant and unique Cuba. Immerse yourself in a world of salsa rhythms, rum-filled mojitos, and vintage cars. Cuba, with its rich tapestry of culture, is not just fascinating, but also surprisingly affordable. The country's spirit is as warm as its tropical climate, offering a myriad of experiences that won't break the bank. Begin your Cuban journey in Havana, the pulsating heart of the nation. This city is a time capsule, where colonial architectures meet vintage cars, and the streets hum with the rhythm of salsa. Then, escape to Varadero, a paradise of white sandy beaches and turquoise waters. It's the perfect place to relax, soak up the sun, and maybe even learn to salsa. Don't forget Trinidad, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its preserved Spanish colonial architecture. Here you can step back in time and discover a slice of Cuba's vibrant history. Cuba is our top pick for a budget-friendly, culturally rich and unique travel experience. And there you have it, our top 10 budget-friendly travel destinations for your next summer vacation. From the lush landscapes of Thailand to the vibrant culture of Cuba, these spots offer unforgettable experiences without breaking the bank. So why wait? Start planning your next budget getaway to these stunning locales. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more travel tips and destination ideas. Safe travels.